So hey guys, welcome back. This is second weeks of analyzing the market. So far, I was recorded the video last week, but my microphone was turned off, so there was no sound in this video. I was recorded, and there was no sound in that video. That's why I did not uploaded that video. So I was outlined the previous week's market before this happened, and market did in fact the what I was outlined it like that. So I'm going to forward. Uh, so I want to share you something before going the endless market. So wait this. So far I was past the trading combine from top step. This is a congratulation message. This is my second time to pass the trading combine. Uh, so far, previous one I cannot make the payout. I was maybe in the May I passed the account, and June around the June and a half I was blown that account by over trading, over leveraging, and I studied hard from ICT 2024 mentorship, free mentorship in YouTube from YouTube channel, and I was past that combine at 3rd January, and so far my account up $452. So but I wasn't took a huge risk because of the market's volatility. It's huge volatile market now, and so far this is a yearly candle open. That's why around February second week, after the February second week, I will do the more trade and more leverage from the. So far, let's go into the chart. This is the chart I was outlined that previous last week. What this order block hold the price and send it higher, and this week Friday and Monday go higher, and this fair value gap, also this balance price range, this fair value gap with this fair value gap, this is a balance price range. So this is tap into here, go little bit higher but didn't close body upper with the middle of this balance price range or this fair value gap. And Tuesday market go little open, go little higher and aggressively sell off into this sell side liquidity. I was mentioned this low, that low, and that low. This is this is obvious liquidity which is taken out. And so first I want to go to with dollar index to start this week's analysis. So from the weekly chart we can see this is the fair value gap from weekly chart. This is a 50% body will close above this line, so I'm still bullish in dollar index. So far my second objective is this volume imbalance. You can see this low and this low and this high, there is no body overlap on this area. We through this is called ICT volume imbalance. I'm looking to more bearish, bullish on this dollar index. First this high and go to add this volume imbalance. From weekly chart, daily chart, we can see this fair value gap broken, but this I'm little disappointed about this low and that low makes relatively equal lows in market goes eyes. That's okay. I'm not thinking this low will take an out. I'm bullish from this area, this fair value gap. 1 minute, this low and that high. This is the bullish fair value gap. I want to see if a little come lower this volume imbalance, or this is the order block from the daily chart with this volume imbalance. I want to see this will come little lower and go higher toward this volume imbalance. So far, for our chart, here is that bullish fair value gap with this daily order block. I want to see market go little lower and traded that fair value gap and go higher. So from the dollar index, I didn't trade dollar index. I just analysis dollar index to risk off or risk on scenario. Risk off, risk on is when dollar index is go higher and mm, other foreign currencies like Euro USD or indices Nasdaq or mini S&P can go lower. This is risk off scenario. So I love to see that. That's why I'm analyzing the dollar index. I'm bullish from the dollar index. Let's go into the Nasdaq chart. This taken out. This is also taken out. This is also taken out. So first I love to go with the mini S&P. You can see that mini S&P also market shifted here. You can see this low market shifted in this fair value gap can traded and send price lower, and this low that low took that relatively equal lows and traded this fair value gap. Though this is last fair value gap from this huge run, it can simply traded this fair value gap and run higher from this all-time high. Though I didn't want to see that. I wanted to see go little higher and traded maybe until this order block. This is consecutive to order block. This order block traded here maximum or this low and aggressively sell higher this low and that low. These are my obvious sell side liquidity. I am expecting price body close here below the this bullish fair value gap and touch this fair value gap low, this midpoint or lower, and sell aggressively lower, and this bullish fair value gap until I am bearish on this mini S&P. Also Nasdaq. This is weekly. Nothing is here. Weekly, I have this order block. So let's go daily chart. Go this order block can hold the price and send it lower, and this fair value gap traded and going lower. This weekly fair value gap, sorry, this weekly order block can hold the price. Though I don't want to see that because there is immediate S&P have the sell side obvious liquidity. If immediate S&P sells up, this Nasdaq will also sells up. That's why I wanted to see this low and that low and that low. These are the relatively equal lows. I want to see lower run. So this is the another fair value gap, little small fair value gap from daily chart. Though I didn't want to see this will fill. This will be a breakaway gap. I'm able to see that. Let's go for our chart. If this daily chart also, this is the order block, consecutive order block. This line is in 4 hour. There is the another fair value gap. I want to see This can go here and touch this order block, also traded 4 hour fair value gap and go lower. I am bearish on this Nasdaq. Also, you can see from the hourly chart, this low, that low, that low, that low, that low. These are the relatively equal lows. This is clean sell side liquidity. So I am expecting this week also the lower run. There is a buy side liquidity, this high, this high, this high. These are the relatively equalized, though this is for later, not now. I really want to see the market go lower. So far this week is the PPI CPI news release at Tuesday and Wednesday 8:30 a.m. Monday we have no news. Sorry. Monday we have no news. That's why I want to see Monday is accumulation day, range bounce day, and Tuesday go a little bit higher in manipulation, and Wednesday and Thursday lower and distribution, and Friday will be little bit higher and close or the reset day. I wanted to see this news, heavy driver news, so be careful about that. So I'm expecting lower run from this week. So if you are in the trading or doing trading, remember this: discipline and consistency can take you the place talent alone cannot. Trust the process, stay focused, you will get there. If you found this video inspiring, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what keeps you disciplined in trading. Let's grow together. Until see you next time, be safe.